Welcome back to Overheat, Lamborghini Motorhome 2026. External. This motorhome will not resemble other RVs. Its low silhouette, aerodynamic angles, and sharp lines are all clear references to Lamborghini hypercars. To minimize weight and boost strength, the body will probably be composed of carbon fiber, which is consistent with Lamborghini's performance philosophy. In keeping with Lamborghini's trademark style, the aggressive LED technology will be used for the headlights and taillights. A panoramic glass roof is an option for the motorhome. Inside, with a futuristic layout and extremely effective use of space, the inside is designed to resemble a private jet cabin. The finest materials will be used to line the entire interior. With the help of an artificial intelligence AI-based control system, the car's occupants will be able to operate nearly every feature, including the kitchen, entertainment, lighting, and temperature, with only a voice command or a touchscreen. Automated kitchen. A contemporary kitchen featuring a refrigerator and cutting-edge appliances. An opulent king-size bed that might appear to float. A lounge space that can be automatically enlarged and changed, perhaps even to accommodate a big old TV. A hybrid engine, most likely a combination of a supercharged V12 or V8 engine and an electric motor, is anticipated to power the Lamborghini Motorhome. It could produce over 900 to 1,000 horsepower, making it the fastest RV in the world. The RV will have cutting-edge drivetrains, including four-wheel drive and an adaptive suspension system that can adapt to changing road conditions to support this performance. A fully computerized cockpit featuring holographic displays showing important information will be available to drivers. Under some circumstances, the motorhome may be able to drive itself thanks to Level 4 autonomous driving, according to certain representations. The vehicle's onboard energy requirements might be met by carbon fiber solar panels mounted on the roof. This RV vehicle can probably accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in a relatively short time.